You know, investment planning is really important, and it's kind of the thing everybody wants to talk about, if you let me say it in slang. It's kind of the sexy part of what I do. And the morbid part of what I do is also estate planning. And estate planning really needs to be done, because if I build your wealth, what good is it if that wealth gets deteriorated or decreased because good transfer obligations aren't put in place? So, how do you think about estate planning? Let's just pretend you're here right now, and this is the wealth that you have today. Here's the challenge with estate planning, is we don't know when you're going to eject from this third rock from the sun, if you will. It might be relatively soon, or you might live a long, prosperous life, and we need to take into account every point along the way. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, because most of the time we can make changes as we go, but it's really important to get it in place. I've been in business in wealth management for quite some time now, a little over 2 decades, and it's sad to say that I've seen some clients go early, and I'm thankful to say that I had them prepared for that situation that we didn't know was going to happen. There are lots of tools that we can use for estate planning. Some of them are absolutely free, like beneficiary forms. Yes, a majority of your estate planning should be done with beneficiary forms. Why? They go around probate. They don't go through the process that the will adjusts. Beneficiary forms, free. But you have to know what you want to do. And something unique that we do here that I actually developed is called a one-page financial summary. And it has all your assets, all your liabilities, all your life insurance succinctly on one page. And we're going to need to sit down with you, possibly your family if you want to get them involved, attorneys, whether you bring in your own attorneys that I would work with, or we suggest them to you, and your CPA. We're going to get all that input down. We're going to have a discussion about what you have and how you want that stuff given away. We're going to start with, what if it happens tomorrow? And then we're going to assume a growth rate, and this is a big mistake I see people make. A lot of people do estate planning for here with these numbers. It won't work. You know, your assets are probably going to double every 10 years or so. So if you anticipate on living another 30 years, and right now you have $10 million, it's going to go from 10 to 20 to 40. And I know those sound like huge numbers, but they're very plausible. So we need to plan out, if you had that kind of assets, how do you want it distributed? Who do you want it distributed to? Your children, charities, a combination thereof. I would love to help you do that planning.